Hey fourth graders, Miss Muldoon here. I'm sorry my last video ended abruptly, having some technical issues. But we're going to watch this video. It's called COVID-19 Animals, and it's going to teach us a little bit more about what's going on, but it's interesting, something very interesting. And we're going to watch this video as we're essayists, and we're going to research it. Again, I have my notebook out with me, and I can copy down anything I'd like to here. I could also pop open my note-taking page and I can take notes right on here. So I need to decide what's easier for me to do my note-taking on. As you can see, I have my article up here and I have my video down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch this video and I'm going to stop when I find an interesting fact or anything to help me with my feelings.
Nadia, our 4-year-old female Malayan tiger, began developing a dry cough, and over the course of a week, her sister Azul and 2 other tigers and 3 lions all developed similar clinical signs. When we examined Nadia, we collected samples that could be used to test for COVID, and it's important to understand that animal tests are run in a veterinary laboratory, human tests are run in a human laboratory, and we can't send our tiger sample to the health department for testing, just like you can't send people samples to a veterinary lab for testing. So our testing of Nadia did not take away from a test for a person. And to do the test, it's similar to how people get tested, but of course, Nadia was under general anesthesia, and we obtained swabs from her nose, the back of her throat, and fluid from her lungs, and all of those samples were sent to the veterinary labs for testing. And the veterinary laboratories did confirm that Nadia was infected with the same virus that's affecting people. We don't know the exact person who spread the infection, but we're sure it is a person.
So I'm going to stop the video right there, and as I'm watching that, I'm realizing that's a lot of interesting information that we just came across, how a tiger has tested positive for COVID-19. They swab them just like normal humans are getting swabbed for COVID-19, and how the tiger came up positive. So I might want to write that down because it's interesting to me. That's an interesting fact. I could also write down how it makes me anxious because will that mean my pet, my dog, or my cat, will they get coronavirus? I could write that down too. You decide what you want to write down. If it's something that's interesting to you, write it down. It's up to you. Remember, this is going to be your essay, and we want to make it as fun for you to write this essay. All right, boys and girls, I hope this helped you with your writing today, your note taking today. If you have any questions, you can catch me on the Zoom. Bye.